The South Korean government has vowed to take a tough stance on stalking and dating violence after several murders involving people who are in a toxic relationship or broke up with an abusive partner rocked the nation. Under the planned changes, police will be allowed to launch criminal investigations regardless of a victim's desire to punish the offender, with the victims also allowed to request protection orders directly from the court. The latest move comes as data released by the police show that from January through June of this year, there were about 48,000 dating violence cases that were filed. The findings reveal that the number of dating violence complaints has spiked by some 50% in the past 3 years, with the number of people arrested for causing bodily injury reaching 14,900 people in 2024 alone. By crime type, assaults and injuries top the list with nearly 10,000 cases, which is about 67% of the total. They were followed by 2,132 misdemeanors, 1,440 cases of unlawful detention or threats, 794 trespasses, and 536 involving sexual crimes. In addition, there were a handful of homicides, including the much publicized case of a medical student killing his girlfriend and the very recent Uijeongbu dating murder. Meanwhile, despite the steady uptick in dating violence year after year, the level of protection for those being targeted have been cited for being woefully insufficient. Police confirmed that in the past 5 years, protection offered to victims have decreased for various reasons. Such developments have raised concerns about the ability of authorities to prevent a crime from taking place. In the past 5 years, 60% of people fearing for their safety have been given special smartwatches and other surveillance and tracking devices. But with smartwatches having been found to be a useless deterrent in the Uijeongbu murder case, calls are rising for more substantive measures. In light of shortcomings, law enforcement is considering such options as GPS-enabled anklets and even detention against those who fail to heed repeated warnings. People who actually disregard restraining orders could face immediate arrest and be subject to a police interrogation. The Minister of Gender Equality and Family has vowed that Seoul will work closely with all agencies so victims of harassment can go about their daily lives without undue worries.